Hey everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making grilled fish with garlic and herbed butter. It's a very simple sauteed fish recipe. You're going to love it. Just with some basic household ingredients, you will have a perfect dish. Any white fish is good for this recipe. I'm using cod. It's skinless and it's boneless. I've just cut it into half so that it's easy for me to cook and flip it. You can use a whole fillet. Since it's a butter-based sauce, we need 2 tablespoons of butter here. We need good quality organic butter. This is unsalted. I have salt and pepper here for seasoning. I have 2 slices of lemon. I have 3 garlic cloves which I have crushed, and I have 10 to 12 sprigs of thyme. So first thing first, let's season our fish with salt and pepper. So I've mixed my salt and pepper together. It just makes it easy to sprinkle it all evenly. Heat a wide non-stick pan on medium flame. Let's add in the butter. Now the butter has melted and it's foaming. Let's add in our fish. We'll add in our garlic cloves without disturbing the fish and let it cook for 1 minute. Slightly tilting it towards me, and we'll baste the fish with this garlic butter sauce. So I've turned the flame to low and I'm gently basting the fish fillets with garlic butter. And I'll do that for another 2 minutes. Every now and then you can just slightly lift it off because we don't want to overcook our fish, right? So we have to be extra careful. We don't want to burn our butter. We don't want to overcook our fish. So it's been 2 minutes and the flame is on low. And I'm going to gently, with the help of 2 spatulas, I'm going to flip it. I'm going to add in 2 slices of lemon, thyme. It's going to splatter, be careful. Cover and cook for 1 minute, making sure our fish is cooked through. It's been 1 minute. Please keep your eye on it. You don't want to burn this off. Lastly, we'll add in our freshly squeezed 1 tablespoon of lemon. So another 1 more minute. We'll baste this side too. All done. Let's plate this. This is an amazing recipe. It's delicious, it's easy and very simple. Definitely give it a try, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.